A healing reaction, according to the definition of the Webster's Dictionary, is healing, the process of making sound, well, or healthy again. Reaction, a response as to stimulus or influence. Therefore, a working definition of healing reaction would then be a temporary response the body experiences as it becomes well. The purpose of this presentation is to 1. Educate you about what can occur when you are under care, and 2. To allow you to decide how aggressively you would like to be treated. A healing reaction, also called the healing crisis or detox, is a temporary worsening of existing symptoms or an occurrence of new symptoms as the body becomes healthier. A healing reaction, although sometimes unpleasant, is a positive sign of improved function in the body. A healing reaction is not to be confused with a side effect. A side effect is an effect of a drug, chemical, or other medicine in addition to its intended effect, especially an effect that is harmful or unpleasant. For example, a medication causing dry mouth or worse. There are no side effects with acupuncture other than a drop of blood when a point is removed. This occurs with approximately 1 out of 10 points, and/or a bruise when the point is removed, and this occurs with approximately 1 out of every 200 points. A healing reaction can occur at any point in your care, after one treatment or after many treatments. A healing reaction can last several minutes to several weeks. The duration of a healing reaction is proportionate to the length of time the problem has existed in your body. A healing reaction can be severe, moderate, or mild. The severity of healing reactions is proportionate to the severity of the problem that exists in the body. We can, to a certain degree, modify treatment to alleviate the intensity of the healing reaction. Healing reactions are entirely dependent on the emotional, physical, environmental, and chemical stressors to which you have been exposed. The more stresses that you have been exposed to equals more healing reactions. Therefore, it is impossible to predict exactly what will occur without having lived every moment of your life with you. There are many variations of healing reactions. We have compiled examples of the most extreme healing reactions observed. Other reactions, unique to the individual, are possible. Your choice of treatment aggressiveness determines the intensity of the healing reactions. Here are some examples of healing reactions. The most common experience is an individual's major complaint worsening for a period and then improving dramatically. As organs detoxify, you may feel pain on or around the organs. For example, pain above the liver on the right side of your abdomen, or pain around the spleen on the left side of your abdomen. Other digestive complaints may occur, such as constipation, gas, bloating, or nausea. In extreme cases, vomiting is possible. Extraordinary fatigue may occur. This is the body pulling energy from the brain in order to heal. Temporary fluctuations are possible. Temporary emotional fluctuations are common. Impatience, anger, irritability, sadness, depression, and uncontrollable sighing. Sleep may be temporarily affected. More sleep is generally needed. However, some people experience insomnia. Extraordinary dreams may occur. Menstruation may cease temporarily or shift dramatically. Women who have used birth control can take several months to regulate. Vaginal discharge may increase. Sexual desire can diminish or increase and eventually stabilize at a normal level. Urination may temporarily increase or decrease and may become painful or burning. Unstable mercury fillings may fall out. This is the body's way of rejecting the toxic material. Here are some more examples of healing reactions. An individual has taken ibuprofen for 15 years, the metabolized portions of which are stored in the liver. With several acupuncture treatments, the liver function increases and the chemicals are pushed out of the liver into the bloodstream and finally the skin. The individual experiences red welts on the skin for 4 weeks and then the skin clears. Here's another one too. An individual has had repeated sports-related trauma to the lower back. After 12 acupuncture treatments, the muscles begin to change their function and break down scar tissue, resulting in tension and pain in the upper back, neck, shoulders, and head. Several days after the discomfort passes, the original lower back pain reduces significantly. An individual regularly eats large quantities of dairy and deep-fried foods, thinking it has nothing to do with his main complaint, ringing in the ears. 4 acupuncture treatments stimulate function in the ears, but also increases intestinal tract function, resulting in diarrhea for 5 days, detoxing years of dangerous fats. Another example would be an individual has a severely traumatic incident at age 9 and forgets about it entirely. 3 acupuncture treatments later, the individual remembers the initial incident. The individual experiences palpitations and anxiety for 4.5 days and then experiences a calmness unknown since age 9. If any of these things come up, let your acupuncturist know. Although it is temporarily unpleasant, it is a fantastic sign your body is becoming well. Many patients report feeling uplifted and clearer in the process. There are 8 basic ways the body can eliminate these things. It is through the skin, ears, nose, mouth, eyes, digestive system, urination, and the reproductive organs. The 3 levels of aggressiveness are: no matter what the aggressiveness, it is always manageable. Most aggressive. This treatment style yields the fastest results, however the most intense healing reactions. Worst case scenario, several days in bed, feeling like you have the flu. Moderately aggressive. This treatment style yields slightly slower results and moderate intensity healing reactions. Least aggressive. This treatment style yields the slowest results, overall adding on perhaps 2 to 3 weeks of care, and the mildest healing reactions. If you are uncertain, we can always start at this level and increase slowly when you feel you are ready. This is a 4,000-year-old medical practice with many techniques developed to solve body problems. When you decide on treatment aggressiveness, we then customize your treatment with a specific combination of acupuncture points and/or herbs. The number of points and/or herbs used is not necessarily a factor. Let us know how aggressively you would like us to treat your condition. You can change the aggressiveness at any point by speaking to your acupuncturist.